Hi everybody, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am here quickly with a video that it's sponsored by Diana, 007 Bond Girl, and Gina from Gina Loves to Craft. I'm going to add both of their links to their channels down below, you guys. And why am I saying that this video is sponsored by them? Because this project share that I'm going to show you is from some friend mail that I received from both of them. Diana sent me a box full of crafty goodies, and in there were some papers that she had received previously from Gina Loves to Craft, and she shared them with me and Tony. So these are some beautiful papers, and I really wanted to put them to good use. So I decided to make like this bags or envelopes for me to send like in Happy Mail. I love like cute bags. Every time I go to like Dollar Tree, I'm always looking for like cute little baggies to put stuff in, and the paper was just so stunning that I wanted to like use it up. So let me start showing you a few of them because I have so many. Okay guys, and like this paper is like with the princess, and I didn't really want to cut it or anything, so let me just start showing you instead. Okay, so let's see. So here, this is Belle from Beauty and the Beast, and it says always wear your tiara. And as you can see, I just, folded it in half and glued it, and this is the other side of the paper. Even when I send, if I want to send like flat mail, which I never do flat mail because I always like to put like more stuff in the envelopes, but I'm gonna try to send out some flat mail some of these days. We'll see if I'm successful, but if not, this is perfect for like a little pocket letter. This fits perfectly in a pocket letter if you fold it, and you can stick it in here. See, so I just close it this way, and this is the other one. This is, who is this, Sleeping Beauty maybe? And it says, yeah, because it says I need my beauty sleep. You guys, I haven't done my nails yet. And that's the castle on the other side. Look at this one. This is the Little Mermaid. So cute, huh? And look at this one. I love this green color. It says, dreams are the spice of life. I don't know the name of that princess. But yeah, look at that. So I just didn't want to cut the princesses out. I wanted to use this in another way, and I think this is perfect. It's a great idea. And who doesn't love princesses? So if you get a pocket letter in this paper from me, this is thanks to Diana and Gina. So it's a group effort. Look at this paper. It's so beautiful. It's blue and it has gold and it says smile. So they're all the same. And it's just a simple envelope. Look at this one. So cool. And look at this pink one. And of course I can embellish them on the outside, depending on what I'm sending. I can add flowers or whatever, but this is just, what I did the other night. I just decided that I was gonna start using the papers, and I was cutting, die cutting some of the paper as well. So I think that next time I send something to Diana, I'll just send her some of this envelopes too. Yeah, so see, super cute, beautiful paper, right? Beautiful colors, you guys. So, and as you can see, I have more here. Oops. See, there are so many. Another one that says smile here. See, and this one is this way. I folded it this way, so this is the top. And look at this one with the clouds. You see? So pretty. So this is just A blue one. Look at this one with the roses. So it's super simple. I didn't want to do like a pocket or anything in case I want to send like flat mail. I don't want to have anything on the outside. So it's just a simply baggie or envelope where you can send some die cuts or pocket letters or whatever. So yeah, super excited. And you can dress this up, you know, add some stickers on the outside or flowers or ribbon or just send it like this or whatever, you know. So if you have like papers that you don't know what to do with, or if you have like a lot, you can always use it to do something like this. Look at this one. Super cute. And so these are all done. Look at this beautiful landscape. And I have some that I have to finish. Let me show you some more of the princess. And when I was done with this ones, as you can see, I folded it on the outside and I glued it this way, right? On the outside, you can see that. But then I'm like, I should do it another way so you don't see that on the outside. That should be on the inside. So after I did so many, I'm like, oh, I'm going to change the way I'm doing it. So now I'm going to glue it this way. See, so the lip is on the inside. And now the glue is going to go here and this is going to go over it. So now you won't see it. But anyway, you live and learn, right? So that's okay. And this one is the same one. It says I need my beauty sleep. And this is the back, you know, the castle. So I'm going to be gluing those later today. And this is Tinkerbell. It says Tink Nature. And see, these are going to be done the same way. So those are going to be glued on the inside. And look at this beautiful one. So, you know, pocket letters inside this beautiful envelope. I think it's going to be great. Right? So I'm going to glue, the bottom is going to be on this side. And this is going to be the opening here. Look at that one with all the princesses. Another one. Yeah, so all of these are going to be envelopes. And look at this one. This is this way. This is going to go this way. So I need to glue this later tonight. I'm trying to go back to crafting, and this is the way this is going to be open. Look at that. This is from Alice in Wonderland. Look how beautiful this is. So this is the opening here. And this one, it's Winnie the Pooh. And you guys, my friend Janet from Janet K is her channel. Her birthday is coming up soon. She just had a birthday challenge and she loves Winnie the Pooh. And this is the only Winnie the Pooh page that I have. So I'm going to be gluing this and I'm going to be sending this to her with something on the inside. So look at this one. It's Minnie Mouse. It says Glam Dots. So same thing, you know, I'm going to glue this later. This is yellow. Look how beautiful that is. So depending on the design of the paper is how I folded it. So this one, you know, it has Elsa here. This is the opening and this is going to be the bottom. I'm going to glue this side and this side. So, and this one is going to be, you know, vertical because of the picture. I don't know who she is. Yeah, so I have to glue it down here and on the side here. And look at this with Elsa and Anna and the castle on the back. How pretty, right? So yeah, I'm gonna be sending some die cuts or pocket letters or whatever in here. Lip balms or whatever I'm sending you. I'm gonna stick it in one of these beautiful baggies. How cool is that, huh? Special paper from special ladies, Gina and Diana. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so excited because I just love beautiful bags like this. So yeah, I gotta finish those. Look at those ones. This one. Look at those colors, amazing. And this is Anna. And that's the last one. So those are all the ones that I did. And I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. That's a great idea. So let me know what you think, and I will be back with more videos. Bye bye, guys. See you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching.